students! How are you today? Everybody say, I'm great! Are you happy today? Yes, yes, yes! Everybody smile, show me your happy face! Okay, do you still remember about our memory verse? Okay, let us say it together. 1, 2, 3. Lord, you save both humans and animals. Good job. Okay, and do you still remember about our song, Miss Caca?
Yeah.
Okay, let us sing together. 1, 2, 3. Tikus, mouse, kucing, cat, kupu-kupu, butterfly, anjing, dog, bebek, dan gajah, elephant. Harimau itu tiger, si singa itu lion, ular snake, ikan fish, buaya crocodile. Yeay, good job. Nah, kemarin kita belajar tentang macam-macam hewan peliharaan yang umum ya Miss Caca.
Ya.
Tapi nggak cuma itu aja students. Hari ini kita juga mau belajar tentang macam-macam hewan peliharaan yang lain. Contohnya apa nih Miss Caca?
Contohnya ada kelinci, kemudian ada yang namanya tupai atau squirrel. Ya, jadi memang ada beberapa orang yang juga memelihara tupai. Ada juga marmut, bentuknya lebih kecil daripada tupai.
Oke.
Kemudian
Hamster ya, Miss Caca?
ya, hamster. Kemudian ada juga seperti turtle, kura-kura. Kemarin beberapa murid dari K1Red ada yang punya hewan peliharaan seperti rabbit dan juga turtle. Students, ada yang masih ingat tidak tentang perkembangbiakan hewan atau life cycle of animals? Jadi ada yang dimulai dari telur, ada juga yang dimulai dari baby, sama seperti humans. Nah, tugas yang pertama hari ini, students akan mengerjakan worksheet tentang life cycles of animals. Jadi di worksheet yang kali ini itu ada perkembangbiakan dari telur menjadi ayam dewasa. Jadi dimulai dari egg, kemudian hatching, kemudian menjadi chick, dan terakhir menjadi chicken. Nah, tugasnya students potong gambar yang ada di sebelah kanan, kemudian students tempel sesuai dengan nomor urut di gambar yang ada di sebelah kiri. Nanti tugasnya difoto dan dikumpulkan di Google Classroom.
Tugas yang kedua hari ini, kalian akan berdoa untuk pasien-pasien COVID-19 Miss Caca yang sedang sakit, yang di rumah sakit ataupun yang sedang isolasi mandiri di rumah. Nah, students, kita harus punya rasa peduli kepada orang-orang di sekitar kita yang terkena COVID-19 ini supaya coronanya cepat hilang ya Miss Caca. Jadi Indonesia bisa menjadi bangsa yang sehat kembali. Oke, students, atau mungkin kalian juga mau berdoa untuk teman-teman students yang sedang sakit. Itu juga boleh.
Misalnya ada teman sebelah rumah lagi sakit batuk pilek atau lagi sakit demam, mau students doakan juga nggak apa-apa. Jadi tugas yang kedua ini spesial berdoa untuk teman yang sedang sakit atau orang-orang di sekitar yang mengalami terkena COVID-19.
Nah, tugasnya dikumpulkan berupa video ya students, diupload di media sosial, boleh di Instagram atau di Facebook. Oke, jangan lupa untuk menandai akun Benih Harapan dan diberi hashtag Study From Home SBH.
Oke. Ngomong-ngomong soal peduli sama teman, Miss Caca punya cerita tentang berbagi.
Share.
Ya, share.
Oke.
Jadi zaman dahulu kala ada seorang anak laki-laki yang dia mau berbagi makanannya dengan sesamanya. Mau lihat ceritanya seperti apa? Saksikan video berikut ya.
Oke.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Aunt Fernita, and I have a wonderful story for you called A Little Boy Shares. Today's memory verse is from Hebrews chapter 13, verse 16. It says, "Do not forget to share with others." The message for today's story is friends share with others. One day, many people were far away from home at mealtime, but Jesus had a surprise for them. The sunshine sparkled on the water as the little boy walked beside the lake. He was not alone. Many people gathered on the hillside to see Jesus. The little boy carefully wiggled his way to the front of the crowd. "Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me." The little boy listened as Jesus began to tell of God's love. He even saw Jesus heal sick people. It was so exciting that the day went by very quickly, and the little boy had not even thought about eating. His mother had packed a lunch of 5 small loaves of barley bread and 2 small fish, but the little boy had not even touched his lunch yet. It was almost supper time now. Jesus' friends said to him, "Don't you think the people should go home now? It is late, and they are hungry." The little boy saw that Jesus did not want the people to go away hungry. Jesus turned to his disciples. "We'll give them something to eat." The disciples looked very confused. It would take lots and lots of food to feed all of these people. One of Jesus' disciples, named Andrew, smiled at the little boy and asked him, "What do you have in your basket?" "5 small barley loaves and 2 little fish, sir. It's not much, but Jesus can have it." Then the little boy heard Jesus ask his disciples, "How much food do you have?" Andrew just shook his head. "We don't have any, but a little boy has a lunch he is willing to share. 5 small loaves of barley bread and 2 little fish. But that's not enough to feed all of these people." Jesus smiled at the little boy. "Thank you for sharing your lunch," he said. Jesus said to his disciples, "Have the people sit down." First, Jesus prayed over the little boy's food. Then, he began to give pieces of the barley bread and fish to the disciples to give to the people. More and more bread and fish were taken out of the little boy's basket. More and more people ate. The little boy could not believe his eyes. It took a long time to feed all of the people. 5,000 men, and that did not include the women and children who came to hear Jesus too. When everybody had eaten, Jesus said, "Now let's collect the food that is left." The little boy watched as the disciples picked up 12 baskets of leftover food. It was just a little lunch for a little boy, but that little boy was willing to share, and Jesus fed all of those people with that little lunch because he loved them. Aunt Fernita would like to share a very special hello to 3 friends who live in the United States. Hello to Paige, Jaden, and Ethan.
Oke students, dari video yang tadi, lihat ya, ada seorang anak kecil, dia membawa 5 roti dan 2 ikan. Nah, dengan adanya 5 roti dan 2 ikan itu tadi, akhirnya banyak orang yang bisa makan nih Caca. Coba deh bayangin, kalau misalnya anak kecil tadi nggak mau share,
yang lain nggak bisa makan.
yang lain lapar. Betul nih Caca, kalau nggak ada 5 roti dan 2 ikan, anak kecilnya terus nggak mau share, mau dimakan sendiri, Tuhan Yesus nggak bisa memberkati yang lain. Betul, karena ada 5 roti dan 2 ikan, akhirnya banyak orang bisa makan.
Jadi students, dari tangan-tangan kalian bisa menjadi berkat buat orang lain ketika kalian mau berbagi.
That's right. Oke, kita lanjut ke tugas kita yang ketiga untuk hari ini. Tugasnya adalah tugas IT ya students. Jadi nanti students akan mewarnai gambar binatang. Oke, nanti linknya di-share di Google Classroom. Oke students. Jadi tugas hari ini ada 3. Yang pertama, kalian mengerjakan worksheet tentang life cycle of animals. Yang kedua, kalian akan berdoa untuk teman-teman atau untuk pasien COVID-19 yang sedang sakit. Dan yang ketiga, kalian akan mengerjakan tugas IT yang linknya ada di Google Classroom. Oke, students? Jadi nanti setelah kalian mengerjakan tugas IT yang ketiga tadi, kalian capture, screenshot, dan di-upload di Google Classroom juga. Oke? That's all for today, students. Thanks for watching and God bless you. Bye-bye.